Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the topic of saving water in the home and provide you with a detailed guide on how families can make a significant impact. Water is a precious resource, and by implementing these tips, we can all contribute to its conservation. So, whether you have a big family or a small one, let's learn how to save water together. Let's get started. Tip number 1, fix leaks. Leaky faucets, toilets, and pipes can waste a significant amount of water over time. Make it a habit to check for leaks regularly and repair them promptly. It's a simple task that can have a big impact on your water usage. To check for leaks, start by turning off all the water sources in your home. Then, go to your water meter and write down the current reading. Wait for about 30 minutes without using any water, and then check the meter again. If the reading has changed, you likely have a leak that needs fixing. Leaky faucets are often caused by worn-out washers or seals, which can be easily replaced. For toilets, a common cause of leaks is a faulty flapper valve. Replacing it can solve the issue. If you're unsure about fixing leaks yourself, consider hiring a professional plumber to help you out. Tip number 2, install water-efficient fixtures. Older faucets, shower heads, and toilets can use a lot more water than necessary. By replacing them with water-efficient models, you can significantly reduce your water consumption without sacrificing performance. Look for faucets and shower heads with the WaterSense label, as they meet EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, criteria for water efficiency. These fixtures use aerators or flow restrictors to reduce water flow while maintaining adequate pressure. And when it comes to toilets, opt for low flow or dual flush models. Low flow toilets use less water per flush, while dual flush toilets provide different flushing options for solid and liquid waste. Upgrading your fixtures may require an initial investment, but the long-term savings on your water bills make it worthwhile. Plus, you'll be contributing to the conservation of this valuable resource. Tip number 3, practice responsible water use. This means being mindful of how you use water in your daily routines. In the kitchen, avoid running the tap continuously while washing dishes. Instead, fill one side of the sink with soapy water for washing and the other side with clean water for rinsing. This way, you'll use much less water compared to keeping the tap running. When using the dishwasher, make sure it's fully loaded before running it. Running a half-empty dishwasher wastes water and energy. And if you have the option, choose the Eco Mode setting, which uses less water and energy during the wash cycle. In the bathroom, consider taking shorter showers. Just a few minutes off your shower time can save a substantial amount of water. You can also install a water-efficient shower head, which can reduce water usage without compromising your shower experience. Remember to turn off the faucet while brushing your teeth or shaving. Leaving the tap running can waste several gallons of water per minute. Only use the flush when necessary. Place a weighted bottle or a toilet dam in the tank to displace water, reducing the amount used for each flush. Tip number 4, collect and reuse water. There are many opportunities to collect and reuse water around the house. For example, place a bucket in the shower to collect the water that would otherwise go down the drain while you're waiting for it to warm up. This gray water can be used for tasks like watering plants or cleaning. Additionally, consider installing a rain barrel in your garden to collect rainwater. This water can be used for watering plants and lawns, reducing the need for tap water. Just make sure to check local regulations and guidelines for rainwater collection in your area. Tip number 5, educate the whole family. Saving water is a team effort, and it's essential to involve everyone in the process. Talk to your family about the importance of water conservation and the actions you can take as a household. Encourage them to adopt water-saving habits, such as turning off the faucet when not in use and using water responsibly. Lead by example by practicing what you preach. Make it a fun and educational experience for children by involving them in water-saving activities, such as collecting rainwater or monitoring household water usage. And there you have it. 5 detailed tips to help your family save water in the home. Remember, every drop counts, and together, we can make a significant difference. So, let's start conserving water today. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.